Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by signing in as the admin. Make sure you have privileges to export configuration. Check firmware and disk space so backups don't fail. Next, choose where to store the file, local, SCP, FTP, or S3, and prepare credentials. Once done, open System Backup or the CLI Backup command, set a clear file name and optional passphrase, and start the first export to create a baseline configuration you can restore from later. Now you configure the details. Set an encryption passphrase and choose strong AES where supported so the file stays secure. Then create a schedule, daily or weekly, and specify retention so you keep several points in time. For remote copies, enter the target IP, port, path, and credentials. Test the connection before relying on it. Once validated, run the job manually. Monitor transfer logs and file size to confirm a complete, non-truncated backup. Finish by downloading a copy to a secure, off-site location and make sure it's encrypted with your passphrase. Next, verify integrity by restoring to a test unit or a lab environment so you know the process works. Make sure to document the restore steps and passphrase storage. If something goes wrong, first check firewall logs, disk quotas, file permissions, and network reachability. Often fixing an SSH key, port, or disk space issue resolves most backup failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.